Hi, my name is Maya, and for my little shop of physics lab, I chose to do thermodynamics. And my question for this lab is how can we tell if thermodynamics is occurring in a system? I decided to base this lab off of the first law of thermodynamics, which is pretty much stating that the universe's energy is always constant, implying that energy cannot be destroyed or created, but instead transferred. Therefore, a thermal energy change is an energy transferring in or out of a system. And in these equations, we can see that the universe's energy is always equal to the energy of the system plus the energy of surroundings. And then our energy of thermal is equal to the work and heat of a system. In this graphic, we can see the experiment that I will be conducting later. So there's an empty balloon on the top of the water bottle, which is empty, and then the empty water bottle is in a container or a bucket of hot water. The balloon and plastic bottle are part of the system of the experiment, and the hot water is the surrounding. And we also know that the temperature of the bottle is obviously going to be less than the hot water. With this, we can predict that the heat from the hot water will want to transfer into the plastic bottle. Therefore, we will see the balloon expand and blow up with some heat, and we can then conclude that the heat transfer is positive for the system.
Alright guys, now here's our experiment. We have 2 cups of hot boiling water, and then we have a water bottle suspended with some yarn so that the heat transfers all around, even on the bottom. And then we have our balloon to show if there is heat transfer going on or not. So let's see how it works. Obviously, it transferred right away because our balloon inflated, and that shows the first law of thermodynamics.
As we can see from the experiment, the balloon expanded. This is because the heat from the hot water in the container transferred from the surroundings to the system, which was the balloon and the water bottle. With this, we can conclude that there was a heat transfer, and the heat transfer was positive since the balloon inflated. And since the heat transfer was positive, we can also conclude that the work was done on the system and not by the system, since the system absorbed heat and received a heat transfer instead of giving off heat. Thanks so much for watching my experiment. I really hope you liked it.